How to solve x power x is equal to 3 power of x plus 9. Find the value of x. So we have x power x is equal to 3 power of x plus 9 is same as 3 power x times 3 power of 9. Now we divided by 3 power x in both sides. So divided by 3 power x divided by 3 power x. So this will be cancelled. Now here x same power but different base, so it will be x over 3, then bracket common power x is equal to 3 power of 9. Now we divided by power of 3 in both sides, so divided by power of 3 divided by power of 3. Now let x over 3 is substituted by y, so our equation will be y power y is equal to 3 power of 9 over 3, that means it will be 3. Now here we can apply rule that a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n where n is greater than or equal to 1. So according to this rule, I can compare here y will be equal to 3. Now remember that x over 3 is substituted by y, so y that means it will be x over 3 then is equal to 3. Now we multiply by 3 in both sides because we need the value of x, so multiply by 3, so this 3 will be cancelled. So here x will be equal to 3 multiplied by 3, that means it will be 9. So 9, this is the value of x, so this is our final answer. How to solve 16 power x is equal to 32. Find the value of x. So you have 16 power x is same as 2 power 4, then bracket power of x is equal to 32. Now 2 power of 4 times x, that means it will be 4x, then is equal to 32 can be written as 2 power 5. Now we see 2 same base, so 2 will be cancelled, power will be equal to power, so you can write here 4x is equal to 5. Now we divided by 4 in both sides because we need the value of x, so divided by 4. So we see this 4 will be cancelled, so here x is equal to 5 over 4. So 5 over 4, this is the value of x, so this is our final answer.